Try out the nuBeginning Success Tribe membership. Sign up for the nuBeginning Success Tribe membership for you to try out too. Jumpstart your journey towards success. Secure your spot in our vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are all on a mission to achieve greatness. Get ready to be inspired, supported, and empowered every step of the way. Gain access to a treasure trove of invaluable resources designed to propel your growth and help you reach new heights in your entrepreneurial endeavors. Experience a transformational month with us as you uncover practical strategies, receive personalized guidance, and tap into a network that fosters collaboration and success. Don't delay seizing this opportunity because the path to success is where camaraderie meets ambition. Join us today for a game-changing adventure at an unbeatable price. To all solopreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs out there, remember that every great journey starts with taking that first step. Embrace challenges as opportunities, stay passionate about your vision, and never forget that every setback is simply a setup for a comeback. Trust in your abilities, keep learning, keep striving, and let your resilience shine through. Your dreams are valid, and with dedication and perseverance, you'll carve out your own path to success. The road may be winding, but each twist and turn will only make your victory sweeter. Stay unstoppable. Start your journey towards success today. https://nubeginning.com/success tribe